Hello, welcome to your latest weather update from the Met Office on this rather drab Saturday. The reason for the cloudy, dank conditions is because we're currently sat in something called a warm sector, with a warm front out towards the east and a cold front pushing in from the west. Unsurprisingly, going by its name, the warm sector does mean that temperatures are a little bit above average for the time of year, with relatively mild or warm air across the bulk of the UK. Notice colder air then feeding in from the northwest behind the cold front as we go through the weekend. That cold front's also going to bring some rain across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland as we go through Saturday afternoon, with some hill snow likely over the Scottish mountains. Elsewhere and across the bulk of England and Wales, it's a cloudy picture with some drizzly rain, and any bright spells will be fairly limited. Temperatures though, like I said, a touch above average for the time of year, so most places getting into double figures, perhaps highs of 12 or 13 Celsius towards the southeast. Turning colder behind that cold front though, and so we are going to see the showers feeding in across parts of Scotland, turning wintry at times, some sleet or snow possible, but they will ease overnight. And that cold front clearing its way southwards as we go through the night, bringing a spell of rain to many places, but it will be generally light. Clear skies then developing as we go through the early hours of Sunday morning, and it's under these clear skies temperatures are going to take quite a drop. The blue colours on the map show where we're likely to see a touch of frost developing, most widespread across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, perhaps Northern England too. Further south, a touch of frost possible first thing on Sunday morning. As we go through Sunday itself, then we have a whacking great big area of high pressure. Could see pressure around 1048, 1049 perhaps, so not quite record breaking for February, but a very high pressure nonetheless. As a result, that will clear that front away towards the south, and we'll have largely calm, settled conditions across the bulk of the UK. There'll be plenty of sunshine around, though that sunshine could be quite hazy at times because of some high-level cloud. Temperatures are going to be down markedly compared to what we're seeing on Saturday, so you can see these highs, most places staying in single figures, but when you factor in the light winds and the sunshine, it should still feel relatively pleasant. As we go through the end of the day on Sunday, we are going to see some thickening cloud across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, so some outbreaks of drizzly rain likely here and wind strengthening here as well. But for England and Wales, we're going to hold on to the clear skies and the light winds, and so we're likely to see some frost forming again as we go through into Monday. Now, I'm going to have further updates as we go through the rest of the weekend, so if you are watching on YouTube, it's worth hitting the subscribe button. But there's more information available on the Met Office app, our website, and of course, our social media channels.